By investing in public services, we can reduce the poverty, inequality, and we can create a stronger economic growth. So, let's say, if wala yung education na to, which is the best Scott, do you think na lahat ng dito ngayon ay makakapag-aaral kung walang free tuition? Which is no. Dahil hindi lahat afford yung tuition fees sa private school. And then, sabi ko ba kagain na wala to magbawas sa tax, pero ginakurap na. That's why nga po, we should invest in education. Para ang mga tao is knowledgeable enough to choose and to make better decisions na ang leader na itusenda is may good governance. Sa ating the business vision, a globally competitive university. However, how can we compete globally if we reduce the investment in education, infrastructure, social safety nets,